Dear students, now let me tell you about the methods of solving quadratic equation. There are three methods of solving quadratic equation. First is splitting middle term method. About this method you all are aware. You have done this method in 8th class as in 9th class and in the present 10th class also. Right? The second method is completing square method and third method is quadratic formula. So dear students, out of these three methods, this completing square method has been deducted from the syllabus. So we are not going to do this method and we have done this method. Now today I'll explain you quadratic formula method to solve the quadratic equation. So dear students will do quadratic formula, this method of solving quadratic equation today. So what is this formula? The formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a, right? Where what is a, b and d? We have quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is the coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x and c is the constant term. And what is d? In the previous video I told you about d. D is the discriminant. D is the discriminant. And its formula is b square minus 4ac. So we can write this formula as minus b plus minus under root d. D na likhe we can write this formula also, b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this is the method to get the roots of the equation, quadratic equation, and this formula is known as quadratic formula of solving any quadratic equation, right? Where a, b, c used are a is the coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x and c is constant term. So and now when do we have to apply this formula? कब हमें ये अप्लाई करना होता है? When discriminant is greater than 0 and when discriminant is equal to 0. I taught you about the nature of roots. In these two cases we get real roots. So whenever we get real roots we will apply this formula, but if we will get discriminant less than 0, that means negative value, then the roots will be non-real roots, and in that case we will leave the question here only. We will not use the formula to get the roots. Okay, so we will solve the equation only in these two cases, when the roots are real and distinct and when the roots are real and equal. But we do not solve the equation in this case when the value of discriminant is less than 0. So let's do the first question today of 4.3 exercise. And what is this question? I told you to try it. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist. I told you if they exist के लिए what we have to do? We have to find out the nature of the roots by using discriminant. Okay, if they exist, when do they exist? They will exist only in these two cases. The roots will exist only when the discriminant is greater than 0, means जब हमें d की वैल्यू पॉजिटिव मिले और हमें d की वैल्यू 0 मिले तो रूट्स विल एग्जिस्ट. रूट्स किस में एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते? व्हेन द डिस्क्रिमिनेंट इज नेगेटिव. सो find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist by the method of completing square. But as I told you, completing square method is not in our syllabus, so we will do this question by using quadratic formula. We will use quadratic formula to solve these equations because completing square method is not there in our syllabus. So let us solve the equations, try the equations. And dear students, let me tell you one more thing, that in this chapter all the statement questions are reduced from the syllabus due to the पेंडेमिक के कारण जितने भी ये स्टेटमेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं 4th ऑनवर्ड्स दे आर नॉट इन योर सिलेबस. वी विल डू ओनली क्वेश्चन 1, 2 and 3 in this exercise. Means question 1 we are doing with not with completing square, we'll do by quadratic formula. Find the roots of the quadratic equation given in question 1 above by applying quadratic formula. So we will apply this in question 1 and we'll do question number 3. We are not going to do statement questions, but I'll send you the PDF of the solutions of these questions. You can solve them because you know how to convert statements into equations. So let's solve question number 1 now. So dear students, before starting the exercise, note down the formula in this form in your notebook. Quadratic formula, general equation, and x is equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. Plus minus means to get two values because degree is 2, so we have to get two values of x, two roots. So we'll get one root by placing plus sign and other by minus sign. So let's start. So let us write down the first equation, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Let us mark a, b and c. A is 2, b is minus 7, sign के साथ लेंगे, c is 3. So first of all we have to check whether they exist or not by finding the nature of roots. And to find out the nature of roots, the formula is d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Discriminant. So what is b? B is minus 7, so we'll put minus 7 square, then minus is there in the formula, then 4 into a is plus 2, into, no sign is there, that means multiplication, into c, that is plus 3. Do not forget of putting the bracket before putting the square. So minus का square क्या होता है? Positive value, so it will become positive. Plus का 7 square is 49, 4 2s are 8, 3s are 24. So 49 minus 24 you will get 25, और plus वाली value बड़ी है, that means plus, means d is positive. D is positive, that means d is greater than 0. If d is greater than 0, so nature of roots is roots exist. Roots exist करते हैं and they are real and distinct. Distinct means दोनों जो वैल्यूज़ होंगी, x की जो दो वैल्यूज़ मिलेंगी, दोनों डिफरेंट मिलेंगी. Okay, so now let us solve by using the quadratic formula. Let us solve because roots are existing, so we will apply the formula. If roots does not exist, we will not apply. So formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. So let us put x is equal to minus b. X is equal to minus b. One minus is there in the formula. Then b. What is b? Minus 7. इसका minus अलग है बेटा, इसका अलग है. So let us put the bracket b minus 7 plus minus under root d. So what is d? We have solved d. This is d, 25. So let us put it in the square root and divided by 2 into a. What is a in the equation? It is 2. So minus minus plus 7 plus minus root 5. Square root of 25 is 5. 2 2s are 4. So now we will make two cases, one for plus and one for minus. So when x is equal to 7 plus 5 by 4, and in other case we'll take x is equal to 7 minus 5 by 4. So let us solve it. X is equal to 12 by 4. By reducing it we'll get x is equal to 3. This is one root, and from here we'll get x is equal to 2 by 4. When we will reduce it, 2 1s are 2 and 2, we'll get x is equal to 1 by 2. So in this way we can use this quadratic formula to get the roots of the equation. But only if the roots exist, and I told you roots will exist in two cases. If d is positive, means greater than 0 or equal to 0, that's it. Then only we will apply the formula, otherwise we'll leave the question here only. Okay, so let us do the second part now. So let us try the second part. Let us mark this is a is plus 2, b plus sign is there and no number is there, that means 1. We will take b as plus 1 and c as minus 4. So to find out whether the roots exist or not, we'll check the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. So put the value, b is plus 1. So 1 square minus 4 into a, what is a? It is 2 into c, it is minus 4. So put the bracket, okay? So 1 square is 1, minus minus plus, because they are getting multiplied. 4 4s are 16, 2s are 32. So we'll get 33 and both are positive, so plus 33. So that means it is greater than 0. Discriminant क्या है? Greater than 0. Yes, the roots will exist. Roots exist करते हैं. And what is the nature of the roots? Roots are again real and distinct. Roots are real and distinct, right? So if they exist, now let us solve them by using quadratic formula. So what is the formula? Tell me the formula. Yes, x is equal to minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. So minus from the formula, bracket b. What is b? It is plus 1. So 1 plus minus under root d. What is d? It is 33 plus 33. So we'll take this upon 2 into a. So what is a from the equation? It is 2. So we will write 2 into a is 2 into 2. So minus 1 plus minus under root 33 upon 2 2s are 4. Dear students, now 33 is not a perfect square number, so you can solve it by prime factorization. But as let us check. So we'll get this 3 11s are 33 and 11 1s are 11. Again pair are not forming. Square root के लिए pair बनना ज़रूरी है. No pair is formed. Single 3 is there, single 11. So means it will remain inside the square root. We can't solve it. So we will write the two cases as minus 1 and square root term. They are unlike terms. We can't add and subtract them. So we'll write the answer as minus 1 plus square root of 33 upon 4. This is the first root of the equation. And in the second root, plus की जगह क्या आ जाएगा? Minus x is equal to minus 1 minus square root of 33 upon 4. So this is the second value, second root of the equation. But if we will able to solve square root, तो हमें solve करना है. But if it is not getting solved, we will keep it under the root, and because these two are unlike terms, we can't add or subtract them, so we'll write them as it is, right? So these are the two values. So now let us solve the third equation. Let us try the third one. So dear students, let us solve this. A, B, C. A is plus 4, B is plus 4 root 3. We will not take x, and C is constant term. So let us find out whether the roots exist or not by solving discriminant. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. So what is b? B is 4 root 3. So put it under the square. Square नहीं लिखेंगे तो what mistake you do? आप सिर्फ इसे square कर देते हो. So put the bracket square minus 4 into a. What is a? It is plus 4 into c is 3. So 4 square is 16 into root 3 square is 3. 4 4s are 16, 3s are 48. So 16 3s are 48 minus 48. what do you get? We'll get d is equal to 0. Dear students, if d is 0, what do we say? Yes, the roots will exist. Yes, roots exist. And what is the nature of the roots? Roots are real and equal. And if roots exist, then we have to solve the roots. And which formula we are going to apply? We are going to apply quadratic formula. You can use splitting middle term method if it is not given in the question. But if it is given in the question that you have to use quadratic formula, then you will get the marks only for quadratic formula. So let us put the value minus from the formula, then b, put the bracket. B is 4 root 3 plus minus under root d. D is 0. So we'll put 0 upon 2 into a. What is a? A is 4. So minus, now it is not inside the bracket. 4 root 3 will remain as it is. We can't multiply them. It is under the root, it is without root. Plus minus. Square root of 0 is 0. And if we'll add 0 to anything, we'll get the same thing. अगर मैं ऐड करूँगी 0 तो भी यही मिलेगा, सब्ट्रैक्ट करूँगी तो भी ये. व्हाट डू वी गेट? विल गेट minus 4 root 3 upon 8 plus minus 0. So we'll make two cases from here. X is equal to minus 4 root 3 plus 0 by 8, and other will be x is equal to minus 4 root 3 minus 0 by 8, right? So when 0 is added to this, it will remain same. Now multiplication is there, nothing is added or subtracted, we can reduce it. 4 ones are 4, 2s are 8. The answer will be minus root 3 by 2. This will be the first root, and let us see the second. When we will subtract 0 from this, it will remain same again. So again, now multiplication is there, nothing is added or subtracted, we can reduce it. 4 ones are 2s are. So x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. So we get the two values, two roots. X is equal to minus root 3 by 2. From here also we get x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Means both the roots are equal. So this is what we got from discriminant. D is equal to 0 means roots are real and equal. बेटा यहाँ से हमें पता चल जाता है equal means we'll get the equal values, right? So in this way you will solve this equation. So let us solve the fourth part, dear students. A is 2, B is no number is given, that means plus 1, C is 4. So let us find out whether the roots exist or not. B is 1 square minus 4 into A. What is A? It is 2 into what is C? It is 4. So 1 square is 1 minus 4 4s are 16, 2s are 32. Now this is plus 1 and this is minus 32. Plus minus minus, so minus करेंगे. 32 minus 1 is 31, but the greater one is negative, we'll put negative sign. So dear students, now in this case minus 30, negative value is there, negative value मिल गई. और माइनस क्या होता है? इट इज़ लेस देन 0 मीन्स डिस्क्रिमिनेंट जो कि minus 31 है. सो minus 31 इज लेस देन 0 मीन्स रूट्स does not exist. If they do not exist, that means the question will end up here. यहीं पर end हो जाता है हमारा question. No need to solve it further by any of the formula. Okay, roots does not exist. And what is the nature of the roots? If we have to answer the nature of the roots, we will answer as roots are not real or non-real, we can write. So we are not going to apply quadratic formula for this part because discriminant which is negative, which is less than 0, that means roots does not exist. So we will leave the question here only.